All right.
Do you want a thumbnail?
No, I don't need no thumbnail. Hello. Oh. All right. I just got live, so. Is this thing on? Word. Young, wild, and free. Yeah. Just so other people can see it. So we still go live on the page.
Derek, can you turn the music on? Turn the music on.
I'm kidding. No, I'm
What about
kidding.
the ACST page? We put it there too.
I don't. Doesn't matter. I posted a Temple chat. It's going somewhere.
Dude, 2 people are gonna watch it.
No, we have no viewers yet. Until Mac shares it, then we have plenty of
Yeah,
viewers.
once Mac stands on the line, 500 people join.
Oh, actually, 2 viewers right now.
My mom, my kids.
Just shared it to the group.
We got 2.
Okay, sweet. Well, Spencer's here. We have, ladies and gentlemen, hello. We have our second round of the ACST Playoffs. We have Mike MacIntosh on the right, who is the home bowler as the 5th seed. And Saints here on lane 7 as the away bowler is the 7th seed. They are bowling head to head, so gear up. MacIntosh on the head pin leaves the 5. And Aaron on the 1-2 pocket as well leaves a 6-9. Mac makes his spare. And both gentlemen start off with matching spares. This is what we like to see to start, ladies and gentlemen. We'll bring it down closer so I can see better. Back looking to fill here. On the a little off the 1-2, but gets a good 6 out of it. Leaves the 1-3-7-10. 16 for 1 box. Aaron smashed the head pin, leaves the 5. 3 and 2. Back looking to make it and splits it up. Leaves the 7 pin. Head pin went right around it. Aaron 15 for 1. Looking to make it, goes outside, just takes the 3-6-10, leaves the 4-7 with a plank. MacIntosh with a 10. He is 26 for 2. Aaron with a 8 box. He is 23 for 2. Listen, sorry if I don't have any stats. MacIntosh back on that 1-2 pocket. Comes in a little heavy on the head pin. Leaves a 6-8. Oh, helping him. Aaron smashes the 1-3 for a hammer. MacIntosh cuts it over. Oh, cuts it too good. 6 pin just goes right in front.
Wait for it.
Turn. Oh. Darren back here waiting for it to turn in. MacIntosh with a 10. Sitting at 36 after 3. And Aaron with 33 after 3. 3-3-3. 33 after 3. What a strike. MacIntosh on that 1-3 this time. Staying on the right side. Gets the 2-4 clean. Aaron head pin smashes it again. Little full, but gets the mix. Gets the 9 drop. Has a 10-10 with a piece of wind here. MacIntosh makes his 2-hitter. Aaron makes his spare. 43 after 3, 53 after 4 for Aaron. 46 in a ball for MacIntosh. Hi, Mark Weber. MacIntosh right on the head, a little heavy. Gets the action. Seems a 2-6 split. But he's got wood to help him. Aaron now on the 1-2. Buries it for a hammer. What a start by Aaron. MacIntosh looking to make it. Oh my God, what a bid. If the cap wasn't there, it would have really helped. Maybe we have our special guest of Darren. Hit it right, go right. MacIntosh is waiting to go right. 10 pin. Will, 10 bucks. 46. So at the half right now, we have Aaron with 73 in the ball and MacIntosh with 64 at the half. Really great start for both bowlers here. As they switch lanes after every 5, they're going head to head, which you can see. And here we are.
It was pretty funny though, barking at the pins.
Hit it hard. Aaron looking to fill. Worcester, but he has another ball. MacIntosh almost falls asleep, but gets a couple extra to carry. Aaron with a 2. MacIntosh, what a great bid, but leaves the 4-7. Aaron looking for a big out. 6 bars. 81 after 6. MacIntosh with a 10. 74 after 6. So Aaron currently has the lead. Aaron currently has the lead by 7 pins, with 4 more boxes to go in the first string. Aaron just graces the head pin. You can see it wiggling. MacIntosh buries the pocket for a hammer. Aaron, a little outside. That's the thing with Mac. He throws the ball in the 1-3 pocket. He's got just enough spin to come in and throw big balls like that. Aaron makes the 4 spin for the 10. Tell Charlie Collins it does go. 91 after 7. 4 spin does go, by the way. Hey. Aaron, back on the head pin, a little bit full. Leaves a 3-2 split. Hello, thank you everybody for tuning in tonight. MacIntosh just graces the head pin, but slices it perfectly. Leaves the 2-4-7. What a blank. Aaron pucks out the 6 pin. Looking for a big out here. Thanks, Corey. Oh, thank God for wood. Aaron with an 8 bucks, Mac with a spare. Well, 2 more. Mac is sitting at 104 in a ball. Aaron has 99 after 8. Aaron looking to get back on the mark trade, and he does with a hammer. MacIntosh back on the head pin. Wow, that looked from like the 1-3 to a 6 fill. There you go. MacIntosh looking to make it. That was a little bit off to the right. I know, we're all in the match for you, Tim. Mac looking for a 10, and he does. Gets the baby split for 10 bucks. He's currently sitting at 120 after 9. Aaron, 109, filling a strike. Aaron looking to double up here. Looking to double up. Keeps falling. Timber the pins, but a little tricky shot here. Leaves with 7-8. What, really up high. MacIntosh back with a light. Looks like a light 1-3 hit, but it's never. It's a nice good hit, solid hit. Leaves the triangle on the left side. Aaron spins it over and makes the shot. MacIntosh looking to match marks, and he blows through the triangle for a spare. Yeah, that one going there. And sitting at 129 in a fill, and Mac sitting at 130 in a fill. Aaron, big 7 fill. 136 game to start. MacIntosh with a 7. Oh, a 7 fill. Aaron, you're done.
He's good. He's done here.
Oh no, did you throw a spare or strike? A spare, like, what am I thinking?
Done, right?
Yeah.
Sorry, guys.
Yeah, 50 straight.
2 balls on a spare, right?
1 pin difference. Yeah, so the first game is Mike MacIntosh with a 137, Aaron Tiziero with a 136. Big marks in the end to finish for Aaron to come back after that awesome 2 fill he had.
Thank you. Strike.
You're doing great, Aaron.
6 bucks. That was.
1 pin.
That might have been the downfall of the string. I was doing all right until that.
So we're done, right? That's it?
That was, yeah. Congrats, man. Good luck the rest of the way.
That's it. Ladies and gentlemen, I hope you enjoyed this amazing first string broadcast. Both bowlers have elected to stop bowling.
Darren, I'm 1 short. Should I just throw one in?
So after 1,
I don't know it.
Mike MacIntosh is leading by 1 pin. Aaron throws pretty much a bunch of strikes. I just subbed on Aaron recently, and he went for 448 at Metro. He had about 9-10 strikes on the night. Few doubles, 3 double strikes. That was pretty cool. I'm talking about you. You have 448 at Metro. Yeah. You had like, what, 9? Would you have 9 strikes? Or 8? 9 strikes, 3 doubles. I can take a break. Enjoy my awesome quesadilla by Exeter Lanes. Alright, we are back in action. Aaron with the no ball. 3-6. This way, MacIntosh buries the pocket again. Or 9-drop. It's a tricky wood here. Aaron looking to make a triangle. Oh my god. Things you hate to see. MacIntosh looking to play it up high to get it. Oh, and it goes right around it. But the wood in the gutter almost takes it. So, $9. Aaron. And a $10 for MacIntosh. Oh, there's the best pin clear, ball clear ever, Darren from Exeter Lanes. Never see.
Are you sure that ball? That was coming out fast.
Oh, that would have came back. I would have set ready at the next box. Aaron now looking back on the 1-3. Buries the pocket, leaves the 9-drop with the wood dressed on it. Wood dressed on the 5 pin. MacIntosh. Little left on 1-2. Leaves the 4 horseman plus the 8 pin. Aaron, we're going to start the string. It's a mark. MacIntosh on the outside. Carries 3, leaves 2. Mac with a 10. Aaron's currently 19 of the ball after 2. Mac is 20 after 2. Back in the 1-2 pocket. Left-handed pocket. Buries it for the 9 drop. Leaves a 7 10. MacIntosh a little bit heavy on the front line. Leaves a 3, 6, 7, 10. But Wood on the 3. Aaron looking to make this. Little unfortunate bounce off of Wood. I know he wasn't going to get it. MacIntosh plays it up high. 6 pin slides in front of the 7. Aaron earned $9. That counted, right? Yeah. We counted that $9. MacIntosh perfect throughout the string so far, 3 10s in a row. Both gentlemen have 2 boxes left before they switch over. There, on the 3 pin. But, ooh, gets a little more action out of it. Leaves the 1, 2, 7. A couple pieces of wood here. MacIntosh back on the 1, 3 and smokes it for a hammer. Aaron looking to split them. Oh, you figured the double wood there, it would help. Fortunately, it did not. Aaron with a $9. 46 through 4. Mac is 40 through 4, and he is filling a stripe. Aaron back on the 1-3. Leaves the diamond left. MacIntosh back on the head pin, almost for a double. Leaves the kingpin. Aaron looking to make the diamond. He got too full a little bit. Leaves the 4 pin. MacIntosh, what a spare. Aaron with $10. It's a 56 half. 30, 40, 50. Now, MacIntosh for the half here is 60 in a ball. Aaron is 56 at the half. Look at all those 10 boxes. Look at all those X's, baby. After 15 boxes, Mac is up 5 pins. You're fine. Now they're both starting. Second half of game 2. MacIntosh a little bit off, but gets a 4 fill out of it. Aaron, looking to 1-2 pocket again. Leaves a 7-10 pin. MacIntosh 64 at the half. A little bit right on the second ball there. Aaron, a little bit left. The 10 pin. Mac with a $9 to the L. Aaron with the 10. Hey, that's the Paul Grant special. All right. $666 66 through 6 for Aaron. 73 through 6 for MacIntosh. Mac off right headman. And a little bit full of the 1-3. Leaves the 2-4-7, 2-4-6. MacIntosh. Left side of the rack plus the 10 pin. Just a little bit outside. Aaron looking to make the shot, and he almost he splits the uprights, but too good. MacIntosh going on inside to get the extra 2 pins. Good job there. 7 box are good. 9 for Aaron. Aaron with 75 after 7. MacIntosh with 80 after 7. 3 more boxes to go on the string. MacIntosh on the 3-6 leaves the 1-2-4. Aaron again on the 3. Aaron on 3-6 leaves the 1-2-8-9. Both favorable shots here for both bowlers. MacIntosh runs his down. Spare. Aaron buries in, leaves the 8 pin. MacIntosh with his 6th spare of the match. Aaron with a 9 box. 84 through 8 for Aaron, and 90 in the ball for MacIntosh. 2 boxes left in the string. MacIntosh, a little bit left on the head. Leads the force plus the back bib. 5 bill. Aaron leads 2 and 1. Seen plenty of these. MacIntosh looking to make his. Goes 2 full in the hit and leaves the 6-10. Looking to make his, but just only takes the 4-7. MacIntosh with a 10 box. One more. There, is that 8 or 9? We are in the 10th box here of the second string. He'll be fine, he'll be fine. Mac with 105, Aaron with 93. Last of the head pin on for Mr. Schultz here. At least 3-6-10. Aaron looking to bounce back after a rough few boxes. Leaves the same shot here, just leaves foot on the 6-10. Mac on the outside, placed the wood out. I don't know if that was the game plan, but he had made it. Aaron looking to make his clean, and he does. Matching spares for the gentleman. Yeah, 1 ball each. This is the 4th time both gentlemen have marked at the same time. Both MacIntosh with a hammer. Aaron looking to match it. 7. 110 second game for Aaron. 125 for MacIntosh game 2. Still a very close match here. It's a good match here, ladies and gentlemen. Both bowlers doing exceptionally well. After 2, MacIntosh is up 16 pins. Here are the totals so far. First string, 136. Aaron. Second string, 110. 246 total. Mike MacIntosh, 137. First game. 125 second game. 262 total. We have 3 more games to go. These gentlemen put it on a show. And as we take a quick little break, I thank you everybody for tuning in. I know you guys see my name all the time. Say my name and I will appear. Shameless plug, Joe Hendry. Yeah. But I hope everybody's enjoying this. You know, shout out to the Candlepin Corner guys for giving me access to their page, for letting me stream the match tonight. I am very fortunate of it. And also, there's another plug. If you're looking for bowling balls, bowling shoes, or anything else on the market, Sunnyside Bowldrome, great deals, great prices. You gotta shout out their work. You gotta shout out. You want sets? We have all the bowling sets you can think of. Cobra, Paramount, Comet, Starline. We have Cyclones. We have Vipers. We have we have it all. You need bowling balls, some bowling shoes, bowling towels, Sunnyside Bowldrome. Yes, Chris Ryder. That is Josh Daly on the mic. Just say my name and I do appear. We are back in action to start the third game. Back in action now, start the third game. 16 pins of difference right now. MacIntosh in the lead. Oh, the 1-2 pocket leaves a 7-10, but got about maybe 4 or 5 pieces of pin wood on the deck. And the 1-2 pocket leaves the 5 pin. Should be favorable. Yeah. Should be favorable shots for gentlemen. Play it right there. Oh, get over. Oh, tad bit more to the right. I think it would have went. Aaron now looking to smash it through the wall. And he dies. Oh boy. $10 for MacIntosh and spam for Aaron. If they both started in the mark, they would have copied themselves like they did in game 1. Both starting off with spares, but so far. MacIntosh, a little bit heavy slash slide on the 1-2. Got a good mixing ball, leaves a 7 pin. Aaron on the 2-4, gets 5 out of it. Both makeable shots for both gentlemen. MacIntosh nails the 7th pin in the face. Aaron looking to make the shot, pushes it through, but leaves the 9 pin. He had that same setup last string. Minus a pin, but left the 8 instead of the 9. $10. 25 for 2 for Aaron. 20 for 2 for Mac. As he clears the gutter, we like to shout out Exeter Lanes for letting us bowl tonight. A lovely place. You want some food, some drinks, good place to bowl at? Come to Exeter Lanes. MacIntosh on the 1-2 flushes it, but leaves the 6-7-9. 7 Phil. Makes him 27 for 2. Aaron mixes a good ball in the 1-2 pocket. Leaves the 3 pin. Oh, Mac with a good bid. You are welcome, sir. Oh man, you're welcome. Sorry. Aaron a little bit right to the head pin. MacIntosh, $10. Aaron with a 10 bucks. Another Paul Grant special. That's 2 on the night. Yeah, 2 more boxes till we switch, guys. Oh, MacIntosh with a hammer. What a ball that was. Aaron a little bit off to the left. Leaves the whole right side close to 2. Aaron looking to make it to match the marks. Ah, leaves the 2-pin. That stupid 2-pin. Everywhere. That 2-pin is everywhere. $9. 4, 4, 4. 4, 4, 4, 4. 44 through 4. MacIntosh 2. Fill the strike. Leaves on the 1-3. A little bit tight on the 1-3, but leaves the 2-4, 10. 7 on the first ball of the fill. Aaron now leaves the 1. Smashes the 1-3 pocket, but leaves the 5, 7, 9. MacIntosh looking to make a shot. Plays the wood. Oh, almost goes. Very unconventional. I don't know if he was playing it there, but oh, I thought so too. I didn't think it was going to kick up like that. Aaron, look, make his shot. Oh, it just takes out the 5-pin. 9-4. And a 10 box. So at the half right now, we have MacIntosh at 66 and Aaron at 52. So far, we are 25 boxes in, halfway through the match. 14, and the lead is up to 30. But there's still plenty of time to go. Hi, Corey Lisi. All right. Now, we'll gentlemen go into the second half of the third string. Aaron, 4 on the headpin, but leaves a decent spare opportunity, especially if those wood come up. MacIntosh smokes the 1-2 pocket. Brooklyn side, it's a strike. Now you want that wood. Wood keeps moving. I don't want it to stop moving, so it'll be helpful to everybody. Aaron, look to make a shot. Oh, he plays the red line and pin goes right by the 7-pin. Aaron won an important 10 box here. Hey, that's a good thing. You gotta start hitting. Yeah. All right. He's got that. He's got 2 for the PG special so far. Aaron now looking to start himself up again. On the 1-3, a little heavy, leaves the check mark plus the 10-pin. MacIntosh, a little bit off to left, but gets a good mix out of it. Gets 7 on the first ball. Aaron, look to cut this over. Cuts everything. Cuts the 2. Jesus Christ. Cuts the 2-pin. In front. Back makes a shot. Front of the 10 and the 5. Yeah. Aaron's not getting much luck here. The 9 box to Aaron, 71. After 7. Sorry guys, I had a little moment there. Couldn't speak. With 3 left. MacIntosh is at 96 in the ball. Aaron's at 71. Aaron looking here to build some momentum. Leaves the 1-2-10. MacIntosh, a little bit left in the head. Gets that hit. Gets, I think, the 5, maybe the 9th in the shoot up. Leaves the 4 horseman. Or 6 fill. Aaron looking to make it. Just 2 full on it. 96-2. MacIntosh looking to make it, and he does. Aaron won a $9. Mac with 112 after 8 with 2 boxes. Aaron has 80 after 8 here. No luck so far for Aaron. Mac, they're both throwing good balls. Just momentum is swinging the other way. Let's see if both bowlers can keep the fireworks going. Aaron now on the 1-2. Leaves a wiggling 5-7-10. But this might help MacIntosh off left. But he gets a good chunk for 7. Puts him out 119. Aaron looking to just throw it in the middle, and he gets one to go. Good. MacIntosh off to the right, makes the baby slip, but leaves the head pin. There you go, $1. Aaron here looking to build momentum. MacIntosh with a 9. Send at 128. Aaron is at 90. $1. I know it's tough not using the CompuScore, the telescore, whatever it is. Aaron looking for a big fill. A little heavy on the pocket. Leaves 5. Sitting at 95. MacIntosh back on the 1-2 pocket again. It's got to be a side for a lane 7. Leaves the 7 pin. Aaron a little bit outside to the right. MacIntosh. Oh, you couldn't fit a piece of paper between that two. Wow. So close. Aaron now. What a good bid. Leaves her 7. 102. And a $10 from MacIntosh for 138.13. All right, after 3 games. Just double checking my own math, but after 3 games, Mike MacIntosh is up 52 pins, 400 to 348. No, wait, I have to plug again. I have to make a plug. Nope, we're all set here. Thumbnail. We'll get the thumbnail at the end, all right? We'll have Darren in it. Darren now, just off the 2 pin. Down 52. 2 games left. Could make a comeback, which I hope it comes close. But MacIntosh just stays on with the marks. Aaron, 4 horsemen, but it does go. Charlie Collins, the 4 horsemen does go. So that's 2 strings in a row where they both have started with gentlemen start with marks. Alright, looking for a fill. Drops the ball, but gets 7. A good chunk of 7 out of it. 17 for 1. MacIntosh. 2 full. Leaves the spread eagle plus the 8 pin. Still has another ball to fill. That's right. Aaron. I don't think it's meant to throw it there, but gets 2 out of the 3. MacIntosh, what a good spare bid. It's a 6 fill, so 16 after 1. And one of $10. 27 for 2. MacIntosh looking for an out. That's a 7. 23 for 2. That's right, both bowlers are bowling well today. Despite the big lead, they've been both throwing big balls and good shots at everything. Aaron now, a little bit off, but always gets that mix with that outshoot ball. Turns his hand on the outside. Good backward spin on it. Always gets a good break. MacIntosh, the 2-4-6, throws an in-shoot ball where he hand goes over to the top on the right. Comes with a more of a forward spin. That's how he gets a lot of pin action. MacIntosh looking to make the shot, just takes the 2, leaves the 6 pin. Hello, Chris Bovert. Aaron 1 and 9. MacIntosh with a 9 as well. Right now, 2 more boxes, gentlemen. Aaron is 36 through 3, and MacIntosh is 32 through 3. 2 boxes left before they switch for the half. Actually, yeah, sure. Aaron again on that 2-4 pin. Leaves the 1-3. Aaron takes the 3 pin. MacIntosh down on the pocket. Leaves the 5-9. Looking to push it through to make it, and he does. Aaron with a fun $10. Right now, after 4, Aaron has 46. MacIntosh has 42, and he is filling a ball. Filling a spare. Bring off to the head pin. On the left, leaves a big cluster 6. MacIntosh just gets 2 extra to fall for the 9 drop. Mac 40-51. Make there. 51 through 4. Mac looking to make another spare for 2 in a row, and he does. So at the half, we have MacIntosh with 61 and filling another spare for 2 in a row, looking for 3. And Aaron Sincere with 54 after 5. And open, looking to build some momentum here. Come on, Aaron. Cut the lead. Who's the name of the guy that is it? Oh, Matt Schultz. Yeah. So if you're wondering why Mike MacIntosh has a Matt Schultz polo on, or jersey, whatever you want to call it, for fun, I believe they decided to do a jersey swap back of Worlds and Elite Elites. They did it. Matt Schultz, a 5-pin bowler who also bowls a kettle pin for the Worlds. They decided to do a jersey swap. That's why he has the Schultz on. Oh, a little bit off to the left. 2, 4, 6, 7, 3 fill. 64 Aaron with a 1-3 hit. Leaves the 5-pin with a plank. MacIntosh looking to make up for the second ball, and he does a little bit to the right. Aaron looking to make him spare, and he does. Mac with a 9, heavy 9.
Mac, that was a tip. That was a tit. No, you missed a titty. You
Hi,
just got a
Cheech.
tit. We love Cheech.
Yeah, he just joined the broadcast. MacIntosh off the head pin, but leaves the 4 horsemen again. Aaron to the right leaves the 1, 4, 7, 8 or 6 spin. 7, 8. Mac makes the 4 horsemen again. Aaron looking to make a shot. Just a tad bit too easy. Hey, Charlie Collins, that's about 4 times. The horseman is gone. 10 bucks. I think the 4 horseman is just cursed by Charlie Collins at this point. He never makes it. Mac falling the head pin. Leaves the 4, 7, 10. Aaron now smokes the pocket. Leaves a wiggling 6 pin. Oh, what a
Snap and tickle.
shot. Aaron looking to make a single, and he
Nice
does. Listen, I'm not trying to be too loud for you guys. I don't want to be too loud for you guys. Don't want to throw you off. Back now, looking to fill. Leaves the 2, 4, 7 for a 7 fill. Aaron, what a big 9. Wishing hey, for another 9 here. Mac looking to make his on the outside. Takes the 2, 7, but leaves the 4 pin. Aaron looking for a spare, and he does. It's 2 in a row. Mac.
That's a good.
What a 10. What a 10 bucks.
I'll be saying that a lot.
All right. Last box. Last box, gentlemen. Aaron with 109. Mac with 117. One last box to go in the 4th game. Hi, CJ. Light on the head, but it leaves the 4, 7, 9 with some wood. Aaron, an unfortunate 2 fill. 109. 111 after 9. Mac spins it in and he gets.
Up and tickle at it again.
Aaron a little bit off to the right.
Alright, I gotta go home.
Aaron with an 8 bucks.
Aaron.
The 119 4th game. 1 ball, man. MacIntosh a little off, leaves at 5.
This game, book.
132. Mac. And now we have
Under average for the day.
so far. So far we have 3 out of 4 strings in the 30s, 130s from Mac. Okay, Terry, relax. Here we are after 4 games. Mac is up 65 pence. Like, on Coastal, there's too many cooks in the kitchen, so it doesn't matter. There now, on the 1-3. Mac a little bit on the 1-2. I mean, on the 2-man. Mac go outside and make it. He almost does. cut the diamond, and he does. Sweep the leg. $9. That 5-pin had a little Russian leg sweep on the 8. Almost. Just one string. I know, no, everyone has, at least one of you started with the mark. Yeah. MacIntosh crosses over again, leaves the 6-pin. And I look for a big fill here. Gets the 2 chunks of 6 out of it though. Mac had that. Want to come back over all the way on the 6-pin for a spare. Aaron, I'm looking to make his a little bit to the left. Aaron with the $9. He is 25 through 2. MacIntosh is 19 through 2. Filling a spare. Mac, 1-3 pocket, leaves the 5-pin, the king pin. Aaron on the 1-3, smashes it for a hammer. MacIntosh goes all the way left. Left field, playing the green monster. It's 28 through 2 for Mac, 38 through 3. Aaron is 35 through 3. Both gentlemen are on marks. Oh, through the middle for a 4 fill. 42 for 3. Aaron back on the pocket. 1-3 leaves the 4-pin. Mac right side. Aaron makes a spare for 2 in a row. MacIntosh. What a good 9. 45 through 3, 55 through 4. And a fill for Aaron. MacIntosh is 51 through 4. Last box before you switch, gentlemen. Mac a little bit left. Leaves the right side and the head pin plus 7. Aaron now looking for a big fill. Catches that 2-pin to ball, which is very helpful for a 6 fill. 61. Sorry, that's a 7. MacIntosh just makes a spare like it's another day in the office. Aaron looking to make his. Oh, a little bit left and leaves the 10-pin. $9 to Aaron. 71 at the half. Mac is 61 at the half. 2, 3, 4, 5. You're down 50. 5. Yeah, and he's on a fill. 17. Oh. Jeez. If anything could go right now, it's right now for Mac. So we're gonna like this number at the half. Aaron with a spare. Takes a 3, 6, 10 and takes it home. MacIntosh a little bit left, but the 8 fill gives him 69 at the half. Oh, Okay. 3 and 10. 79 after 6. 4 boxes left. And Aaron needs a bunch of strikes here. That's how we're gonna put it. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Aaron left 4 holes and plus the back, then leaves her 5 fill. MacIntosh left again. Is a chunk of 5 here. Aaron to the right. Leaves the 1-8 with 10 bucks here. MacIntosh looking for it out 10 bucks. Aaron gets a 10 bucks here. 96. MacIntosh with a 9. That's a gainer. Yeah. Right now, 3 boxes left to go. This is what we have. Aaron through the middle. 1, 2. MacIntosh pounds the middle, but gets a better break out of it. 1, 2, 4, 5. Aaron looking to make the spread eagle. Takes the 3, 6, 10. 6, 7, 8, 9. Spin a Rooney, but nothing goes. Aaron with the 10 bucks. What a 106 after 8. Mac with a 7. 95 after 8. 2 boxes left. 18 Oh, Aaron left that pin. 4 plus the back one. Does it go again? I mean, technically it does go at Charlie Collins. MacIntosh, a little bit left of the diamond. Aaron looking for a 10 bucks for 116. What? 1 more box. MacIntosh with a 10 for 105 after 9. Aaron's up 11. Match is unfortunately still going on. But over. 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 15, 16, 17. So right now, in the match, looking for a Paul Grant special to end the match. Aaron has 18 marks. MacIntosh has 23. 5 marks the difference, but it was those timely singles, everything else. Aaron with a 9 for 125, respectable. MacIntosh with a 9 for 114.
That's not bad.
So,
Definitely bowled worse than that before.
yes. So after the match, at the end of the match, we have Mike MacIntosh as the winner, going on to the finals to face Peter Crawford at Riverwalk. Yeah, 646 to 592. What a good match to first broadcast. I hope everybody enjoys.
I don't know.
Great bowling by Aaron and Mac.
They didn't really dare to look.
Want to look at the strings real quick, mark-wise. We have them. 18 marks for Aaron, 23 for Mike MacIntosh, or Matt Schultz, or whatever you want to call him. Here is the final tally. Thank you all. Great season by both gentlemen. And, yep.
Oh, wait. Oh, for playoffs, do I pay and then get reimbursed?
Yeah, the home bowler pays and then they get reimbursed. All right, well, have a good night.